Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an eye tutorial on this look that you see right here. I'm obsessed. This is going to be a talk through style tutorial. I just wanted to do a really quick intro for you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, I brought you in closer, of course, so you guys can see what's going down. And I do have a shirt on. See? And I just noticed that I have this bump right here in my eye and I really don't know why. I have no idea. And it's not itchy, it kind of just appeared. But I took an allergy pill, hopefully that'll help it go down. But I'm not really sure what's going down, but that's not gonna stop me from creating this look for you guys. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. Just don't mind this eye, okay? So I'm gonna start off by using the shade Orange Soda as my first transition shade. And I'm using a Morphe R38 brush. And Orange Soda is going to be the only color that we're going to slightly take into the inner corner here. So I want to keep all the darkness on the outer corner, of course. And before I forget, I'm actually going to put a little bit of setting powder, like right underneath where fallout may happen. I don't want to mess up my foundation. Usually I do my eyes before my foundation, but today I was like, you know what? I always do that. Let me just try something different. Now I'm dipping into the shade Burnt Orange and I'm using a blending brush by Wet n Wild to apply this on the same exact places we applied Orange Soda. And I'm only taking burnt orange on this outer corner. I'm not gonna bring it towards the inner corner like I had mentioned. Picking up a little more of Orange Soda, I'm going to blend out burnt orange just a tad. I'm gonna take the shade Tempera and use this on my brow bone. I like to apply that brow color early on. That way it's just a little easier to blend it out into the transition shades and I'm not blending it into anything like super dark, you know? I'm going to take the shade Rustic and a Luxie 239 shader brush to apply this and pack it on the outer corner. And then I'll be taking a Luxie 231 small tapered blending brush to blend out the edges. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Sienna and a Morphe M514 brush and blend out the Rustic shade where it meets Burnt Orange. Applying that Sienna shade just really ties in the brown with like the warm transition shade since it's like a warm and really rich like brick color. I'm using the same Morphe M514. I'm picking up a little bit of Sienna and a little bit of Rustic and kind of using both of those to blend out the darker color, Rustic. With the same Luxie shader brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Cypress Umber and apply this to the outer corner as well, keeping this as low as possible. Again, I'm picking up some Sienna and Rustic and now I'm blending out Cypress Umber. And then I'm taking the Morphe brush that we used first and a little bit more of Orange Soda just so we don't lose that color because we really need that transition shade when it comes to blending out the darker colors. So we really need that to peek through. Here I'm just blending out more of Cypress Umber with Rustic. I'm really just trying to make sure this is all blended out to perfection. Now I'm going to take the shade Bronze and apply it all over my lid. Just because I really want this color to be super, super pigmented, I'm going to take some setting spray and just spritz the brush very slightly, let it dry off just a tad and then dip back in. It just brings the gold to life the way it needs to be brought to life. And to blend out like the gold, I'm going to take a little bit, taking a really fluffy like shader brush. I'm going to just like gently like blend out the shimmery shade kind of upwards just so it's not as harsh. It's kind of just like exploded on the lid. Taking a little bit of rustic taking a little bit of rustic and sienna, I'm gonna start to drag that over there towards the gold. I'm gonna use a little bit more setting powder to really carve out our eyeshadow at the end. Now I'm gonna use this NYX matte liner and just do one straight line across my lash line. And these are the lashes that I'm using today. I already used them once, so they look a little weird, but I'm gonna pop these babies on. These lashes are just so perfect with the look. They really just add that drama. They're just so pretty, and you know what? The brand Icon Lashes gave me an affiliate code with them. So if you guys want to buy these lashes or any of the lashes that they have, I can get you a 30% off discount when you check out. So go ahead and look down below in my description for my discount code and the link to go ahead and purchase these lashes, and then you can also look at all the other lashes as well. Just use code Monika's Makeup and you'll save 30%. I'm gonna throw on a little bit of mascara. And I don't have my eyelash curler around. I really don't know where it's at, so I'm gonna pinch my eyelashes just so they can mesh together. So now that the eyes are pretty much done, we're gonna finish them off by doing the lower lash line, and I'm gonna use all the same eyeshadows that I used in the same order that I used them to do the lower lash line. And I'm slightly connecting the eyeshadows to the outer corner eyeshadow. I'm gonna take tempera and highlight my inner corners because I did not do that yet. And I use that to do my brow bone too, So the eyes are now done. I'm gonna do all my face stuff off camera really quick, and then I'll come back and finish off the look with the lip color. So for lips today, I'm gonna take the Liquid Catsuit by Wet n Wild in the shade Give Me Mocha. And then on the center, I'm going to apply the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in the shade Driver. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching. My eyes are like freaking out right now. The bumps on this eye are gone, but now this eye is red. I have no idea what's happening, so I'm going to cut it short here, you guys. And just thank you so much for tuning into today's video. And if you liked it, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already. And I'm going to check you guys out in my next one, maybe with my eyes not freaking out. Bye guys.